morning, students. I'm Mitofo. How are you, students? I hope you are all fine. At this time, we are going to learn about words problem involving time. But before it, let's review the lesson that we learned last meeting. Review. Get focused. Can you answer these? Number 1. Aulia spent 2 hours 10 minutes practicing piano and 1 hour 20 minutes swimming. How much time did she spend on both activities? Answer. 2 hours 10 minutes plus 1 hour 20 minutes. Step 1. Add the hours. 2 hours 10 minutes plus 1 hour equals 3 hours 10 minutes. Step 2. Add the minutes. 3 hours 10 minutes plus 20 minutes equals 3 hours 30 minutes. So the answer, she spent 3 hours 30 minutes on both activities altogether. Number 2. Howard uses his laptop for 5 hours, 25 minutes in a day. Louis uses his laptop for 7 hours 10 minutes in a day. How much longer does Louis use his laptop for in a day than Howard? Answer. 7 hours 10 minutes subtract 5 hours 25 minutes. Step 1. Subtract the hours. 7 hours 10 minutes subtract 5 hours equals 2 hours 10 minutes. 2 hours 10 minutes equals 1 hour plus 1 hour plus 10 minutes. 1 hour plus 60 minutes plus 10 minutes equals 1 hour 70 minutes. Step 2. Subtract the minutes. 1 hour 70 minutes subtract 25 minutes equals 1 hour 45 minutes. So the answer, Louis uses his laptop for 1 hour 45 minutes more than Howard in a day. We have reviewed the lesson that we learned in the last meeting. We have reviewed the lesson that we learned last meeting. Now, we are going to learn word problems involving time. Procedures. Number 1. Understand. After you read the question, please understand and what is asked? What are the given facts? Number 2. Plan. What strategy to be used to solve the problem? And then write the number sentence. Number 3. Solve. Example 1. Dylan played ping pong with his friends one day. He played for 3 hours 25 minutes and stopped playing at 4:35 p.m. He then took a bus home and reached home in 1 hour 10 minutes. What time did he start playing ping pong? What time did he reach home? Answer. Number 1. Understand. What is asked? In the option A, the time he started playing ping pong. The option B, the time he reached home. What are the given facts? First, he played for 3 hours 25 minutes. Stopped playing at 4:35 p.m. He reached home in 1 hour 10 minutes. Step 2. Plan. What strategy to be used to solve the problem? Option A. Draw the timeline and subtract the time he stopped playing by the time he spent for playing. The option B. Draw the timeline and add the time he finished to time he spent to reach home. Writing number sentence. The option A. 4:35 subtract 3:25. The option B. 4:35 plus 1:10. Step 3. Solve. This is the timeline for the question A. 4:35 p.m. is the time he stopped playing. 3 hours before 4:35 p.m. is 1:35 p.m. 25 minutes before 1:35 p.m. is 1:10 p.m. Using subtraction. 4:35 subtract 3:25 equals 1:10. He started playing ping pong at 1:10 p.m. For the question B, this is the timeline. 4:35 p.m. is the time he stopped playing. 1 hour after 4:35 is 5:35 p.m. 10 minutes after 5:35 p.m. is 5:45 p.m. Using addition, 4:35 plus 110 equals 5:45 p.m. So the answer, he reached home at 5:45 p.m. Example 2. George started his badminton training at 4:35 p.m. It ended at 6:05 p.m. How long was his badminton training? Answer. The first step, understand. What is asked? The duration of badminton training. What are the given facts? Starting time 4:35 p.m. Ending time 6:05 p.m. The step 2, plan. Draw timeline. And draw the duration. Step 3, solve. 4:35 p.m. 6:05 p.m. 1 hour after 4:35 is 5:35 p.m. 5:35 to 6:05 is 30 minutes. So the answer, his badminton training lasts for 1 hour 30 minutes. Summary. Today we have learned solving word problems involving time by using addition and subtraction. Your assignment: do exercise on workbook page 25 until 29. Thank you and Amitofo. Okay students, we have just learned about words problem involving time. Don't forget to do the exercise on your workbook. See you next time. Thank you. Amitofo.